So today we're doing a non-destructive weight mod on the deck, see how much weight we can get out of it. You'll be surprised how much you can get without even destroying it. You can also put it back together, totally untouched. The only thing you might have to do is your skates. If you're not sure how to take this apart, check out my teardown. And if you're not sure who I am, I'm Beardedbob. I'm currently doing a Iron 2 Radiant Valorant series as well. Check me out on there and follow me on stream. And if you're into this kind of stuff, then this is the channel you want to be on to get your competitive edge over your rivals. So today we're going to take apart, actually we're going to weight reduce the new Logitech Dex mouse. Dex, like the Ergo version of the Superlight 2 basically. So it's a lot the Ergo of this Superlight 2, or Superlight 1 this actually. But you see it's slightly different on the sides. But it's 59 grams, it keeps changing the weight on this. It's with the puck in as well. So we'll do a non-destructive weight mod and then we'll do a weight mod. So it's about 58, 59 grams. The puck and the Powerplay, isn't it? That's about a gram and a half. The magnets and stuff. Puck's maybe, I don't know what it weighs. It's only 1.5 grams. It used to be a bit more. It used to be a bit more solid if you remember back in the day. Go back in there if we need that. I mean, we can't, there's nothing really to take out of here for non-mod. We can take some screws out though. So we'll do that. I don't think we get much more out of it for a thank you, non-destructive. Let's put the PCB back, put the battery in, see what we get. Right, we're going to put in a 150 milliamp battery, but we're not going to chop it yet. We'll just get one just to make a point. I would suggest you run the 8K on there, this battery. 150 milliamp, 290, but it will run. We'll probably get maybe a session out of it, especially on 4K, I reckon. It's about 3, is it? 3.2, I can't remember exactly. Yeah, 3.2. So 2 grams in the battery. Give you a theoretical idea of what you can do here if you do want to destroy it. You just want to take a few bits out of it, maybe get 5 or 10 grams off it. Get 5 out of it easily. Dots on it, I've got some spare ones here. So we've got new Superlight, we've taken out the power switch, all the pucks, all the magnets. Here's the skates to dots, which are the B-Stex ones. The rest of it's fully functional at the minute. Pretty good weight reduction, that 51 grams. Holy moly, I didn't expect that. Nearly 8 grams out of it. That is not bad for a non-destructive mod, that. 50 grams is pretty decent.